Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program using pointers in C++ programming language that will ask the user to give two numbers, and then our program will swap the arrangement of the two given numbers. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, supporters, and visitors in my channel. Thank you for your support by watching, leaving a comment, clicking the like button, and most importantly by subscribing to my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this kind of videos, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I will put a link in the video description so that you can download the complete source code or program listing of this tutorial video in my two websites for free. I repeat, it is free. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So let's begin. So basically, I'm using Dev C++ as my integrated development environment. When I'm writing C or C++ program, I'm using this one most of the time, sometimes code blocks. So line number 1, sharp include IO stream for input output. So basically this library file is required in every C++ program. Without this library file, we cannot use the command int main, console out, console it for while loop, for example. Line number 2, using namespace std, and then I wrote a function here. We will call the function swapping. Int swapping, int pointer x, pointer y, which has a data type of integer. If you are new with computer programming, a data type of integer can only store and accept or process positive and negative whole number including 0. Begin int, we have temporary file, so we have here temp equals x, pointer x equals pointer y equals to temp. No? Whether the temporary variable will interchange the arrangement of the two passing parameters of pointer x and y. And then we close our function. Int main, it is the starting point of every C++ program, starting and ending point. Now when we run our program, this will be the first function that is being searched by our compiler and then execute. The same thing when we terminate our program. We have here curly bracket begin, or the body body of our program, int a and b, the two variables, and then we have here the title, swap of two numbers using pointers in C++, new line, and then line 21 and 22 give values for a and b that will store in variable a and b. Before we swapping, we display the original arrangement here, and then we call our function swapping. So as you can see, we have here ampersand a and ampersand b, no, for the pointer, no, or pointers. After which we just copy the same code here, and then we just put the word after, so it will interchange. We have your new line and a program which informs the user that the program has been ended. We have also new line here to new line, and then we have the right curly bracket to close the main body of our main function. As I said, I will put a link in the video description guys, where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Okay, let us go to execute, compile and run so that we can see the result. Okay, our program runs right now. Now swap of two numbers using pointers in C++, give two values. Let's say we have 100 for variable a and 200 for variable b. So before swapping of numbers, a has a value of 100, b we have 200. After swapping, variable a has already 200, variable b has 100, and a program. Okay, our program works perfectly. Okay, let us run for the second time around. Swap of two numbers using pointers in C++, give values for a and b. Let's say we have 400 and then we have 12 for variable b. Before swapping of numbers, variable a has 400, variable b has 12. After swapping of numbers, variable a has 12 and variable b has 400. End of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video of swap of two numbers using pointers in C++. I hope that you enjoy and learn something in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.